Hi everyone, myself Anil BA. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the multi-tier architecture in data warehousing. So let's give introduction about data warehousing. A data warehousing is represented by data integration from multiple heterogeneous sources. It was defined by Bill Lemon in 1990. The data warehouse is integrated, subject-oriented, time-variant, and non-volatile collection of data. It is a system used for data analysis and reporting. A data warehouse is elaborated a core factor of business intelligence. So let's see what is data warehousing and what are all the multi-tier architectures. Data warehousing is referred to the data repository that is maintained separately from the organization operational data. A data warehouse is structured by data integration from multiple heterogeneous sources. Multiple data warehousing architecture consists of the following components. One bottom tier, second one is middle tier, and third is top tier. This is the pictorial representation of multi-tier architectures. So here we can see all the three tiers, bottom tier, middle tier, and top tier. So let's discuss one by one. Let's come from top tier. The top tier is consisting of query or reports, analysis, and data minings. Usually we can call analysis as graphs which are plotted by the company. Usually they use it for increment and decrement of the company growth or stocks and so on. So next come from middle tier. It is also called as OLAP servers because it contains several OLAP servers from which they can take the input for analysis, data mining and reporting. So let's go for the bottom tier. Usually the bottom tier consisting of monitoring, administration, data warehouses, and data marks. All the data from are moved to the OLAP servers, and it contains also metadata repository and data warehousing. Data bottom tier is also called as data warehouse server. So usually the last is data, which consisting of operational database and external sources. The data is transforms all its data to the bottom tier. So the bottom tier gets all the information from the data and from the external sources. So let's discuss one by one. First one is bottom tier. It is also called as data sources and data storage. The bottom tier usually consisting of data sources and data storage. It is a various databases, for example RDBMS. In bottom tier, usually the application program interfaces data is extracted from operational and external sources. Application program interfaces like ODBC, Open Database Connection, OLEDB, Open Linking and Enabling for Database, JDBC, Java Database Connection is supported. ELT stands for Extract, Transform and Load. So let's see several popular ELT tools included in bottom tier. First one is IBM Infosphere, Informatica, Confluent, Microsoft SSIS, SnapLogic, Alma. Next is middle tier. The middle tier is an OLAP server that is typically implemented using either relational OLAP and it can also call as ROLAP model or a multidimensional OLAP, MOLAP model. So OLAP server models comes in three different categories. They are ROLAP, MOLAP, HOLAP. So let's discuss one by one. First one is ROLAP. A relational database is not converted into a multidimensional database. Rather, a relational database is actively broken down into several dimensions as part of relational online analytical processing ROLAP. This is used when anything that is contained in the repository is a relational database system. The second one is MOLAP. Different type of online analytical processing called multidimensional online analytical processing includes directories and catalogs that are immediately integrated into its multidimensional database system. This is usually when all the contained in the repository is multidimensional database system. Third one is HOLAP, a combination of relational and multidimensional online analytical processing paradigms is hybrid online analytical processing. HOLAP is the ideal position for a seamless function flow across the database system when the repository houses both the relational database management system and the multidimensional database systems. So next is top tier. The top tier is a front-end client layer which includes queries and reporting tools, analysis tools, and or data mining tools, example trend analysis, prediction, etc. Here are a few top tier tools that are often used. First one is SAP BW, second one is SAP Business Intelligence, third one is IBM Cognos, fourth one is Crystal Reports, fifth one is Microsoft BI platform. So let's see what are all the advantages of multi-tier architecture of data warehouses. The first one is scalability. Various components can be added, deleted, or updated in the accordance with the data warehouses shifting needs and specialization. Better performance. The several layers enable parallel and efficient processing which enhances performances and relation times. Modularity. The architecture supports modular designs which facilitates the creation, testing, and deployment of separate components. Security. The data warehouses overall security can be implemented by applying various security measures to various layers. And the last one is easier maintenance. Maintenance is simpler because individual components can be updated or maintained without affecting in the data warehouses. As at the end, in this video, we have discussed the introduction of data warehousing and what is data warehousing and what are all the multi-tier architectures, and briefly we have discussed about the bottom tier, middle tier, top tier, and we have discussed the pictorial representation of the three-tier architecture, and we have discussed the what are the several tools we are going to use in bottom tier, top tier, and middle tier, and we have also discussed the what are all the advantages of the data warehousing multi-tier architecture. So, at the conclusion, thank you.